Okay, so hi there everybody. We're now on our next video in the Introduction to Vedic Maths playlist and course. We're now on 1.6. We're in this video we're going to learn how to subtract any number from any number without borrowing. Now take note that there are different ways of subtracting numbers in Vedic mathematics. This is one of them without making use of the concept of bar numbers. There are several ways also, actually more faster ways, easier ones, simple ones, making use of bar numbers, but we're not there yet, right? So we need to have this lesson without the bar numbers first. So let's give one example. So we're going to subtract any number from any number, no borrowings and no bar numbers yet. We're going to learn about bar numbers soon. So for instance, we're going to have this 538 minus 259. So again, I want to make it clear first that our universe is on the natural numbers. So we're not making use of integers here yet. Okay, that is when you say integers, there's no negative numbers yet. So 538 minus 259, what are we going to do? First, we're going to apply the sutra. This will be our process. Apply the sutra first to the subtrahend, which is our 259. So when we do that, we'll have a number. After that number, then the result of that, we're going to add that to the minuend, which is 538, and then drop the first digit, which is from the left, 1, okay, from the left. So how do we do that? We have here 538, and then we minus it by 259, right? So we're going to apply the sutra, all from 9 in the last from 10, the Nikalam Navatskaram Dasata Sutra here, so 259. So what do we have? We have, so, what will you add to 2 to make it 9, 7? What will you add to 5 to make it 9, 4? And what will you add to 9 to make it 10? That's 1. So we have 7, 4, 1. Now, this is the ingenious step. We're going to add this minuend here to the result of the number which is applied, we apply the sutra with. So we're going to add these numbers, these two of them, and then what we have, make just want to make it clear that addition is simpler or much easier than subtraction. So what we have is 5 plus 7, 12, 3 plus 4, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. So we have 12, 7, 9, so 1,279, and then we're going to drop the 1 there, and then the result is there, 279. That's the answer then. So 538 minus 259 is equal to 279. Okay, so it's much simpler. There's no borrowing included. There's no taking away of numbers. It's simply exchanging the operation from subtraction going to addition. Okay, and then we're just going, don't forget to drop the 1 on the first digit. So you may want to check in your calculators if it really does look like it, but I will really vouch that it is indeed correct. Okay, now let's get into it and then let's see more examples so that we can practice it. So let's take into consideration 4,529 minus 2,380. So we'll write first the minuend minus the subtrahend, apply the Nikalam Sutra, all from n and the last from 10 on our minuend. So we have this number. So we have 7, 6, 2, and this is the last number. That's 2, and then put down the 0, from lesson 1.5. So we add this, and then what we have is 4 plus 7 is going to be, 12 or 11. So it's going to be 12 because 5 plus 6 is 11. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4, and then drop the 9 because it's going to be added with 0. So that's our result. So that's 12,149. And then don't forget to just erase the leftmost number. And then what we have is 2,149. You may want to check your calculators if that works. And I can vouch that it does. Another example, we have 45,827 minus 398. So they're pretty much complex numbers. Not easy to just look at it and just subtract it as it is. So we're going to put 0, 0 on the left of 3 on our subtrahend because so that it will be the same number of digits with our minuend. So we're going to apply the sutra, that becomes 9960 because that's 9 already, and then 2. That's the last number. So we're going to add. So what we have is 4 plus 9. That's going to be 13. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 14. We carry the 1 here. It becomes 14, 5. 8 plus 6 is going to be what 14. So what we have is that becomes instead of 4 here, that becomes 5. So 14, 5, 4. 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. So what we have is 14, 5, um, 4, 2, 9. So 145,429. So we're going to get the leftmost number and then cancel it out. And then that's our result. Okay, that's the difference. So 45,429. Okay, so it's your turn to try to check it out. I'll give you time to have some practice. Okay, so let's do this. 1,000, or sorry, 5,468 minus 3,759. So what's the result? So maybe I can show the solution in the next video, but the result here, um, I cannot write here. Let me use a sketchpad in the next video. But these are the results. Hopefully you got it right. Okay, these are the results from our numbers 1 to 4. I'm going to present it using a sketchpad in the next video. I cannot do it here since I cannot write on this screen. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to see the next video so that you can see the whole solution. Yes. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you'd like and subscribe, and see you in the next video so that you can see the full complete solution. So thank you.